In today's video we delve into an important topic: 5 ways to get meth out of your system. Methamphetamine, more commonly referred to as meth, is a stimulant that can have profound physical and psychological effects on those who use it. The impact of prolonged use can be extensive, leading to issues such as weight loss, tooth decay, skin sores, and weakened immunity. Psychologically, it can trigger anxiety, paranoia, hallucinations, mood swings, and even psychosis. But the good news is, detoxification can help counteract these effects and set the foundations for recovery. A speedy detox can minimize damage and accelerate healing, leading to benefits such as improved physical and mental well-being, replenishment of essential nutrients, a strengthened immune system, enhanced cognitive function, and emotional healing. So, if you're keen to understand how to detoxify your system from meth, you're in the right place. Are you ready to learn about the 5 methods to detoxify your system from meth? Let's dive into it. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. The first method of detoxification is something we all know but often overlook: hydration. Hydration is not just about quenching thirst, it's a lifesaver, a detoxifier, and a promoter of overall health. And when it comes to flushing out meth from the system, hydration plays a pivotal role. Water, the elixir of life, supports the body's natural recovery mechanisms in several ways. It helps to regulate body temperature, lubricates the joints, and aids in digestion. But most importantly, for our discussion today, water helps to flush out toxins from the body. When you're well hydrated, your kidneys work efficiently to remove waste products, including meth, from your body through urine. Scientific studies have shown the importance of hydration in detoxification. A study published in the Journal of Biological Chemistry found that adequate hydration could increase the rate of detoxification by as much as 30%. Another study in the European Journal of Nutrition highlighted that even mild dehydration could impair the body's ability to detoxify. But how much water should you drink? While the 8 glasses a day rule is a good start, individual needs may vary. It's important to listen to your body and hydrate accordingly. Foods with high water content, such as fruits and vegetables, can also contribute to your daily water intake. So remember to drink plenty of fluids as part of your detox journey. Our second method involves another essential aspect of our daily lives: nutrition. A balanced diet is not just about maintaining a healthy weight or boosting physical performance, it's also a cornerstone in the detoxification process. When we consume nutrient-rich foods, we're equipping our bodies with the tools necessary to fight off toxins and repair damaged tissues. Think of your body as a fortress. The immune system is your line of defense, warding off external threats and keeping the fort secure. Nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins act as the soldiers, strengthening that defense line. They support the immune system, helping it function optimally, and that's especially crucial during detox. But it's not just about the immune system. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in brain function too. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins, for example, contribute to better cognitive function, improved mood, and emotional stability. These are all essential for anyone on the path to recovery. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Neuroscience found that dietary changes can significantly improve mental health outcomes for people undergoing substance abuse treatment. That's quite a testament to the power of good nutrition. So the takeaway here is simple but significant. Eating a nutritious, balanced diet can aid in detoxification and recovery. It's about nourishing your body, fortifying your immune system, and supporting your brain's health. So don't forget to nourish your body with the right foods during your detox. The third method to help clear meth out of your system is physical activity. But why is exercise so crucial in this process? Well, engaging in regular physical activity boosts your metabolism, which in turn helps your body to expedite the detoxification process. Now, let's dive a little deeper. When we exercise, our heart rate increases, blood circulation improves, and we start to sweat. This not only helps in flushing out toxins from our body, but also aids in burning the harmful substances that have been stored in fat cells due to meth use. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Exercise also plays a significant role in improving our mental well-being. Studies have shown that physical activity can help to reduce anxiety and depression, both of which are common psychological effects of meth use. It can also improve mood and boost self-esteem, making the recovery process easier and more manageable. And the best part? It doesn't have to be a strenuous workout at the gym. Even light activities like walking, jogging, or yoga can be beneficial. Research has shown that even moderate exercise can enhance detoxification and support overall health. Remember, the key is consistency. Make it a habit. Whether it's a brisk walk in the morning, a yoga session in the afternoon, or a short workout at the gym, every bit counts. So make sure to incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine. The fourth method is something we all love but don't always get enough of: sleep. Sleep, it turns out, is more than just a quiet time for our bodies and minds. It is a critical component of our body's natural recovery mechanisms. When we sleep, our bodies are hard at work repairing and rejuvenating themselves, and this is particularly crucial when detoxing from substances like methamphetamine. Sleep contributes significantly to our physical healing. During deep sleep, our bodies release growth hormones that help repair cells and tissues. This process is critical in healing the physical damage caused by meth use, such as skin sores or a weakened immune system. But the benefits of sleep extend beyond physical healing. Quality sleep is also essential for our mental well-being. It aids in emotional healing and enhances cognitive function, which can be impaired by prolonged meth use. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that better sleep quality was associated with improved mood and decreased anxiety, key factors in overcoming the psychological effects of meth use. So don't overlook the importance of a good night's sleep during your detox. The fifth and final method is seeking medical support. Now, this isn't just about popping pills or getting a quick fix. It's about having a team of qualified professionals guiding you through a safe and effective detox process. When it comes to detoxing from meth, it's not a walk in the park. The body undergoes significant changes as it attempts to purge the substance from its system. This can lead to withdrawal symptoms, which can be physically and mentally challenging. That's where medical support steps in. Healthcare professionals can provide a customized plan to manage these symptoms, ensuring you have the best possible care during this challenging time. They can prescribe medications if needed, monitor your progress, and adjust your treatment plan as necessary. But there's more to it than just managing symptoms. Medical support also plays a crucial role in preventing relapses. A study published in the Journal of Addictive Diseases found that patients who received medical support during detox were significantly less likely to relapse compared to those who didn't. So, you see, medical support is not just about getting through detox. It's about setting you up for a successful, long-term recovery. It's about giving you the tools and resources you need to rebuild your life, free from the chains of addiction. So, don't hesitate to seek professional help during your detox journey. And that wraps up our discussion on 5 ways to get meth out of your system. We've journeyed together through the importance of hydration, providing your body with the fluid it needs to flush out toxins. We've explored the role of a nutritious diet, packed with essential vitamins and minerals to replenish your system. We've underscored the significance of physical activity, how it aids in expelling harmful substances from your body and boosts your overall health. We've dived into the restorative power of sleep, a time when your body naturally detoxifies and heals. And finally, we've highlighted the crucial role of medical support, guiding you safely through the detox process. Each of these methods is a valuable tool in your recovery journey, not just in getting meth out of your system, but in restoring your physical and mental well-being. Remember, this journey may be tough, but the destination is worth every step. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a comment below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to find out the 7 causes of erectile dysfunction, watch the video on your screen next. Finally, remember to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. It can be your companion and accountability partner on your journey to better health. Remember, your health and recovery are worth every effort. Stay strong and take good care of your health.